It is said that knowledge of languages is the doorway to wisdom. When you learn a new language, you're not just learning some grammar rules and bunch of words. You're learning a whole new culture, new values, new way of expressing emotions. You begin to see life with different perspectives. And if you have ever dreamt of learning German language, whether you're a student aiming to study in German-spoken country, or maybe you're a working professional looking for better job prospects, or you're simply a language enthusiast just like me and are looking forward to learn and explore German language, then this playlist is just for you. You see, all you need is a structured pathway which covers all the essential aspects of learning the German language. So, if you're motivated and disciplined enough to dedicate 2 hours exclusively to learn German language, then I extend my warm greetings to you to the course, and I would like to guide you throughout the journey. But before that, let me introduce myself. Hi, I am Sumitha Prathap, a passionate German language teacher. My journey with German began when I was living in Germany, witnessing this beautiful language and its culture. Honestly, I started learning German only to be able to communicate with the localites in that small town called Villingen. And eventually I embraced the language a little more, and today I'm so happy to say that I am certified C1 level in German by Goethe-Zertifikat. And it's been over 5 years since I started teaching German, and I work with clients from all over the world. Apart from that, I am from engineering background, so identifying problems faced by German learners and providing some easy and practical solutions to their problems is also something I enjoy doing. Like my podcast, Learn German Vocabulary even to B2, which helps students learn the vocabulary along with its right pronunciation in native accent. There are around 36,000 subscribers from over 200 countries. Apart from that, I have also published a couple of Udemy courses just to support the German aspirants. And here I am yet again to share the knowledge I have acquired throughout my journey of learning German language. Now, on this channel, you will find complete structured pathway to learn German right from the beginner's level, which is A1, up to the B1 level. And for your convenience, the videos are organized chapter-wise. You will find videos to learn and practice German grammar, videos to learn vocabulary along with the right pronunciation. You'll also get videos to practice your learnings, and at the end of that video, you'll have a small test to check your learning. And in addition, I'll also post videos on Goethe exam preparation. Every video is created to make your learning smoother, your understanding deeper, and your journey a little more joyful. So, if you wish to take the resolution or sankalpa to learn the German language, then wait no more. Just take a deep breath in and out, and with a wide smile, just get started. Okay, so I wish you a happy and joyful German language learning journey. My blessings to you. Cheers!